An adverb is a word or a phrase that modifies or qualifies an adjective, a verb, or another adverb, that expressing a relation of place, time, manner, cause, degree, etc. According to the circumstance. There are 6 main types of adverbs. In this video, we're gonna teach you the usage of these 6 main types of adverbs with the meanings and some examples. We want to tell you welcome to this channel, English with JL. For the dream is helping you speak English better, faster, and easier. You need to subscribe with this YouTube channel to still get notified when we post our video for you every week. Let's see the 6 main types of adverbs together. Adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of manner, adverb of degree, adverb of frequency. Let's get started with adverb of time. Adverb of time tells us when an action happened, but also for how long and how often. Let's see some adverbs of time. Now, then, today, yesterday, tomorrow, soon, later, earlier, etc. An example: she will go to the park tomorrow. Adverb of place. Adverb of place indicates the position or the place where is located an object. Let's see some adverbs of place. Here, behind, somewhere, back, front, outside. Example: the children are playing outside. Adverb of manner. An adverb of manner modifies or changes a sentence to tell us how something happens. Some adverbs of manner: kindly, loudly, lazily, clearly, gladly, safely. An example: the manager speaks English clearly. Adverbs of degree. Adverb of degree tells us about the intensity of something. Some adverbs of degree: almost, enough, so, simply, very, etc. Example: Kate is so excited about moving to Paris. Adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency describes how an action happens. Some adverbs of frequency: sometimes, usually, again, daily, often. Example: that student is usually late. Conjunctive adverb. A conjunctive adverb is an adverb that connects 2 clauses by converting the clause in introducing into an adverbial modifier of the main verb in the main clause. Let's see some conjunctive adverbs. Also, instead, indeed, however, hence, otherwise, beside, etc. An example: I understand you, but I don't agree with you. I hope this video saves you and works to help you understand the usage of the 6 main types of adverbs in English. Please don't forget to subscribe and still be connected with us in order to still receive our videos when we post for you every week. English with JL. Thanks for watching.